just folded the back up there. The Haswing Cayman 55 throttle or foot-pounds, whatever you want to call it, with a 48-inch shaft on it. Not very tough, you know. I mean, if you're worried about mounting one on your, maybe you gotta take it somewhere and have somebody else do it. There ain't no harm in that. I mean, if you like to tinker around with stuff like I do, you know, you might be able to make you a base like I did here. Yeah, that's channel. Made that channel there, welded it to a piece of 1/4 inch flat plate. This has got the, so I can remove the trolling motor just by doing that. I'm going to put a plug in here sometime when I see exactly where I want it first. But since I took that pin out of there, I can lift the trolling motor off it. So there's the base that I made. Bolted it on, 2 bolts here with lock nuts, 2 bolts here, lock nuts. That's 6 bolts in here, lock nuts on the bottom. It's not going anywhere. It's as simple as that. Slide it on there. Put your pin in there, put your lock on there, and you're ready to go. Alright, all. Take care.